It is a brand new product. My name is Bert from Infrared Heating UK. I am going to show you a heating panel. It's an infrared heating panel which came from Korea. The factory who produces it called Heatvis. They are our strategic partner here in the UK. We have been selling their heating film for underfloor heating, and now they came out with their heating panel range, which I received a sample of the first panel, which hasn't been available in the UK before. So let's see what's in the box, open it, and we are going to test it, see how long it takes for it to reach its operating temperature, just see how it works. Well, let's open the box, let's see what's in it. Really nicely wrapped. It looks like a good quality product. First sight. So it's from Heatvis. They are a South Korean factory. They produce heating film, and now they also came out with their own heating panels. It looks like it comes with a ceiling bracket or a mounting bracket, which can be used for ceiling or wall mounting. So I'm going to remove this from the box. It came with a European plug fitted on it, so we will need to cut that off and put a British plug on it. Let's see the cord. Well, the cord is long enough, definitely. Usually we wire these panels, hardwire them, and this cord is definitely long enough for that. They can be plugged in as well. They don't need to be hardwired. Now we are going to test it. I'm going to cut this plug off and put a British plug on it, and then we'll see how long it takes for it to heat up and how it heats. I fitted the plug on the panel. So just this is a 60 by 60 centimeter panel, 350 watts. Now it has a plug on it. I'm going to plug it in and see how long it takes to heat up, and also we'll check its operating temperature. This panel is ideal for offices where they have a ceiling grid of 60 by 60 centimeter, because you can just replace a ceiling tile with a heating panel, so it makes the mounting very easy. So let's see. I'm gonna plug it in, and we started the timer, and it starts heating up. The surface temperature now is 22 degrees, so it's just the room temperature, and it already started to go up. So we'll come back in about 5 to 10 minutes and see what happens. So it looks like this panel has two heating elements, or one heating element which is divided into two in it, and it shows a really nice heating pattern. It hasn't reached this operating temperature yet, but we can observe this right at the beginning. It is hot. It is hot, yeah. All right, the panel heated up now. It took a bit over 10 minutes. So now I'm going to check the temperature. The back of the panel, it doesn't feel hot. So actually the middle does feel warmer. The sides, they are not too hot. Let's see the front. So it is 94 degrees. Yep. So between 90 and 94 degrees the surface temperature of the panel according to this thermometer. Let's check it with the thermal camera. Yeah, the camera shows slightly different temperature. Yeah, 93.8. Yeah, 93.8. So of the highest temperature of the panel is about 94 degrees. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I can answer them in the next video.